Namo Nama friends, we are learning numbers. In the present video, we are going to learn numbers from 91 to 100. Let us learn in Sanskrit. Sankhyaye. So friends, we know Navatihi means 90, 90, Navatihi. Now, if we add one flower to Navatihi, how many it will be? It is Eka Navatihi, 91. One is Eka, Navatihi is 90. Now let's add Ekam Dve. We are adding two flowers to Navatihi. So it is Dvinavatihi, 92. Now we are adding Ekam Dve Trini. We are adding three flowers to Navatihi. It is Trinavatihi, 93. Now let's add one more. Ekam Dve Trini Chatvari. Chaturnavatihi, 94. Now let's add Ekam Dve Trini Chatvari Pancha. Pancha means 5. So we are adding 5 to Navatihi. That is Panchanavatihi, 95. Let's add Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shada. It is Sharnavatihi. Sharnavatihi, 96. Now let's add Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shada, Sapta. We are adding Sapta Pushpaha. It is Saptanavatihi, 97. Now let's add some more flowers. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shada, Sapta, Ashta. So how many flowers we are adding? We are adding Ashta Pushpaha. That is Ashtanavatihi, 98. Navatihi plus Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha. Shada, Sapta, Ashta, Nava. We are adding 9 flowers or Nav Pushpaha to Navatihi. So it is Navatihi, 99. And we are adding how many Pushpa to Navatihi? Let us check. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha. Shada, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha. We are adding Dasha Pushpa to Navatihi. 90 plus 10. Navatihi plus Dasha. It is Shatam, 100. So friends, I hope you have learned Sankhyaye from Ekanavatihi to Shatam. Now we know all the numbers from 1 to 100. So friends, do revise and do learn by yourself. You may discuss with your parents or your brothers and sisters and make them learn Sankhyaye in Sanskrit. Happy learning. Dhanyavadah.